just looking at the products here lined up, some of you already know what it is. For those of you who don't know, today is wash day. I'm giving you a glimpse inside of my wash day from start to finish. So the products that I have lined up here serve different purposes. Some of them are for the actual wash process, some of them are for clarification, some of them are for my conditioner, some are for leave-in, some of them are for styling, and yeah, so without further ado, we're going to get right into it. Firstly, I am starting off making my some people know it as a cherry Lola treatment. Some people know it as the maximum hydration method. Essentially what it is a deep conditioner made from scratch. So you will be needing a measuring cup and or measuring spoons for this. Start off with the plain yogurt. I have about half of the container here, and the size of this container is, I can't remember, but I'm going to drop it down in the description box below for you guys. And here I'm just mixing it up because it had been sitting in my fridge and the water pretty much separated, so I'm just mixing it together and showing that I'm using half the container. Next, I am using the 1 cup portion of my measuring cup. So in total, you're going to need 2 cups. Actually, I ended up using, it was about 2.5 cups left in the container. So in the end, you'll see I actually ended up just using what I had left in the container instead of the 2 cups. But if it was a brand new container, I would suggest you portion out the 2 cups. So next we're going for my half of avocado. Doesn't necessarily matter if it's like a ripe one or if it's old. As you can see, mine is pretty old and dry looking. Avocado is an integral part of this conditioner because it is extremely nourishing to the hair shafts. Next, I'm using the 1/4 measuring cup for the Aminos, and I'm actually going to use 2 of those, so it's about half a cup of liquid Aminos. Amino acids helps your hair to produce more keratin and collagen, which helps with elasticity in your strands, which ultimately reduces the amount of breakage. Then I am adding my molasses. I didn't show it here, but I used about 1/4 a cup of molasses, and I only filled that up once. And then just blending, blending, blending. So while this is blending up, I wanted to share with you guys just a little bit of my hair journey transitioning from having relaxed my hair as well as flat iron, blow drying, and just loads of heat damage to now being essentially natural. I'm not 100% natural because I still blow dry my hair occasionally to put it in protective styles and things of that nature, but more so being natural from chemicals. I was considering doing another vlog just speaking about the spiritual journey that I actually parallel with my hair journey. Personally, it was definitely a mental and spiritual thing for me. So just sharing my experiences and the good ones, the bad ones, my feelings and my emotions, because there was a lot more to it than I thought, honestly. There is one ingredient that I left off here. I normally add a whole chopped up banana, but I didn't have one on this day, so I had to just make do with what I had. But I would really recommend adding a banana, as it also adds to the nourishment and hydration portion of this conditioner. This is the consistency that you want to have that I'm showing here. I'm just rolling it around the container to show there's no chunks of anything left behind, no avocado, anything like that. You definitely don't want that to happen because the chunks will be entangled in your hair and it is pretty hard to get out. And that is the complete mixture. Actually, the only thing left out from here is the baking soda, which I am going to add and show in the next video that I will be posting, which is my results from using my Cherry Lola mixture. And other than that, thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for part 2.
Just to do a